Hey guys, Donna from Get to Know Animals. It's Saturday now and we are open to the public, so we've used these dust sheets to cordon it off, keep everyone safe, and obviously we don't want to ruin any surprises. So there's not much in the way of update videos from yesterday, which would have been day 6, and that is because it was a lot of snagging, a lot of meltdowns. Quite a stressful day actually, so I didn't really film very much. And it's all going on, so pray for my broken nail. So Saturday started off with a bit of cleaning. We need to try and remove as much dust and chemical residue as we can. I got the old mop out and started on the ceiling, giving it a good old scrubbage. Now we need a double door system, so here is our metal security gate. Meanwhile, the boys got the new lighting panels into position, ready for the electrician to come and install properly. Aaron, what are you doing? What a very pretty hat. What on earth will you use that for? Ah, now it makes sense. We don't want Lacoste biting through the wires and piping, so we fashioned this cage to stop that happening. Meanwhile, Thomas is on the plumbing. So this is where the water outlet is, so we can fill up the tank. And we also need a drainage system. So Thomas is now on that as well, so we can drain it without having to get in and have a little swim with her. This is a brilliant idea with a detachable hose. It's going to make our life so much easier. Right at the moment we've been waiting for, woo! Mind that? Right, we're filling up. Oh my God. This is the terrifying moment to see if we have got any leakages. Right, so let's all pray and hope it is watertight.
Bobbing along at the bottom of the beautiful bride.
While Rob's having a paddle, I am going to mix some paint up and start getting on with some decorating. Perfect colour match there, very pleased with that. No! Stop the press, stop everything, it's leaking. It is leaking. At this point we don't know where from, so we are going to have to undo all the wood, unscrew everything, find out where the leak's coming from. We just saw water trickling out on the floor. So it could be coming from the fiberglass, could be coming from the window. We suspect the window. Let's have a look. So after a bit of ripping stuff out and inspection, we think it's the silicone here. So now we have to cut the whole window out, chisel it all out and start again. The poor boys, they were supposed to be going home at 6 o'clock today. Feel so bad. Oh dear. Not good, guys. Not good. Trail group was supposed to get off yesterday at 6 o'clock. The main guys, Aaron and Thomas, wow, they really are like machines. They've done 7 days double shifts on the trot now. They're not going to let us down. They are coming back tomorrow and we are going to see what we can do to get this sorted. So we'll see you tomorrow with another update. Don't look at my nail.